Well, I just got back from the dentist, and you know when they start cleaning up your teeth, right behind your front row of teeth, and right in front of it, it really tickles right there. And I'm not entirely sure why. So what are you doing? But it started to tickle so much, I had to sneeze. So if you know anything about sneezing, when you sneeze, your mouth closes, and you know they were cleaning my teeth, right? So while they're cleaning my teeth, I sneeze and bite their finger. The end.